I'm going to walk you through. The first one is the remote start. But before you can do a remote start, you need to press this lock button for 2 seconds. So after you hear a sound that your car is already locked, that's the time you can press this one for a remote starts. Especially now is fast approaching for the winter. So press this one. So now the car is running. When you go to the market and want to open the trunk, you just need to press this one to open the trunk. Let's go at the back. Now I'm going to press the trunk to open. So if you wanna close, just press it again to close it. The next thing is the panic alarm. Somebody is breaking your glass, or you feel that you are not safe in a car, so you are going to press this one. It should make some noise. It's very noisy, you know. So press again to stop the noise. The next one is when you are going to press this unlock button for a couple of seconds, the window on the driver's side and on the passenger side will open. So I will show you to ventilate the car or to have some air inside. Before you get inside, you just need to press this long press to open the window. See, the window is opening itself without starting the car or without manually opening the window. So that's the tip that I can give to you.